This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. So, in last class, we have discussed about how to use the checking box from the developer tabs. This is what we have done. In case while working on this, if you people have any doubt, you can let me know. Okay, you can let me know. I'm sharing you one of the link on your WhatsApp also. In case if you have the time to download, you can download it. The one which I'm going to teach you is completely based on this. Okay. Or first I'll work few steps after I modify the data. I'll share you the data what is after modifying it, how it has to work, all these things. So first you can have a look on the data, what I'm doing it. So based on that, we will work on it. Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay, before I proceed, I haven't got any answer from your side. Anybody has a doubt or what it is, how you're feeling it? Nothing, no answers I have got. Are you all practicing? I'm asking you all. You haven't answered me. Any doubts? Say yes, no. Have a doubts? Yes. No doubts? Put it as no. I want a reply. Make it fast. Put it in a chat box. Rishita, no doubt. Okay. Still. Okay. Fine. Only one is replying. I'll start continuing the sessions. So see here, I have downloaded a data that is IPL 2020 player database. Okay, this is what I have downloaded. IPL 2020 that is IPL 2020 players data set. This I have downloaded. I have a data set of all the team. Now what should I do? I should download this data. After I download, I've already downloaded. So let me show you this. So I have a data here. So all this IPL match, whatever it is, everything is in a CSV format. I'll open a new folder, that is new file in the format of Excel, because this data is a huge data and I don't want all the details, right? I don't want all the details. I'll start doing from here. First I'll open this CSK IPL 2020. Okay, in this I need only a name column and this nationality, that's all. Okay, if you want the matches done, yes, you can take this also. I'll select this names, hold the control. I'll take this. Okay, one second. I need a names, hold the control, select the nationality and select the matches. Copy this, go to your new Excel what we have selected, paste it here. Okay, I'll insert one more tab on the above, control plus, and I'll merge all these three. Only first three, merge the center, and this is which team? CSK team, right? Since you must have an idea of what team is this, I'm just putting this here. Okay, and this one I will make it as 0. Okay, let it be this. So I'll make a changes in a later, or if you want to do it now itself, you can do it. Done. Done. Again, we will merge these three cells, merge and center. Here we will close the CSK file. Then again I go for DC. That is Delhi challenges, right? So from this I need a name, I need a nationality and the matches. Copy and put it from here. Since I'm copying the complete column, it won't be supporting me because I have a merge cell option. First I'll select the here, hold a control, select from here, then again this, hold a control and select this. Copy this, Now go here, let me paste it over here, and this is BC. Again the next three, merge and center. So this, I'll close this BC. After this, I need a KKR, Kolkata Knight Riders. So this time, I'll select this, name, nationality, and the matches. Control, okay, again, I made a mistake. Select this, control, hold the control, select the nationality, select the matches. Now copy it, go to your data where you need. I need it from here, let me paste it. And here I gave a name as KKR. Enter. Next one. Again this three cell, let me merge and go close this KKR file, and I'll take this. I need from the names till here, hold the control, then select this nationality. Sorry. Select the names, hold the control, select the nationality, then after this, select the matches. Control C, I'll go for this, paste it, Control V. Done. Now here, what is this thing? Done. I don't want this now, I'll close it. Then later. After this, let's take only 5 team. We don't want more team and all. I'll take RCB, names. I'll select this names. Hold the control, nationality, and the matches. Name, hold the control, nationality, and the number of matches. Copy this and put it over here. What is this? RCB. Done. Now wherever I have no past IPL found, Control H, we will replace this by 0. Then replace all. Everywhere we have done. So there is no changes here. So this is what I have a data. I have done this. So let me save this on my desktop. IPL match. So we are going to use here radio button. Instead of checkbox, we will be using radio button, and I'm saving this on desktop. Save. Done. Okay. So this is what I have done. I showed you what I have done also. So first step, what did I do? I have downloaded this data. Okay, this data I've given you link also, you can download from this. Okay, after downloading it, I only prefer to choose name, nationality, and the match. This much I have taken. So what I'll do, I'll convert this into black background and white text, make it bold. Then here I select everything till here, saying that as all borders, all borders. And since this is a different one, I'll use a thick border outside for this, and here also thick border outside. And for third one again, so we will have to select this till here. Okay, sorry, till here I'll take it as all borders. Then we will go for this thick border outside. Then again I give thick border outside, again thick border outside, again, again. So for all these things, I have given a different one. Since I need to adjust this automatically, what will I do? I'll go for this format, auto fit, column width. So automatically it has to adjust. This is what I have done. Okay, this is what I have done. Now what I want to do here is, I'll go on the top, I'll click here plus. How much ever you want, you can do that. I'm only adding 4 rows. Let me show you once again what I'm doing. I'll select the first row. First row. To select the first row, what is the shortcut key? Shift space bar. Shift space bar to select a row. Press Control plus, Control plus, Control plus, Control plus 4 times for 4 rows. This is done. So this much I'll select and I will say that merge and center. This is enough. Since you must know these headings, I'll highlight this with some font color or and make it bold. Okay, the same thing I'm going to use also here. So let me insert a box. Okay, before this, whatever I have done this, okay, whatever I've done, I'll share this to you all because I don't think you may do it fast. So I'm sharing this. What is the name of my file I've given here? IPL radio button. Okay, I've shared you the file. You can download it. Just download and let me know before I start the next one. I'll give you 3 minutes. Download it fast because you don't have any other things to do. I'm giving a ready data. You just have to download and open the file. Make it fast. Download it within 1 minute so that I can continue. Did you all download? Download it, ma'am. Good. So let's proceed. Now, step by step, you can do. This is not too much complicated as we did in a previous one. We are just doing what we have to see about the report, right? So here, I'll just go for the table. What we have done, have saved it as IPL radio button. So this. So in this place, we will insert a new shape. Shape, I'll insert a shape. How much ever you want, you can use that. I'm using this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 team we have taken. So for that, this is enough. This is actually too much of space only. So this much I've selected. Now I'll go for shape fill. I'll choose this gray color. That is white background 1, darker 15%. I'm choosing this. Then I'll go for shape outline. I'll choose this blue color. Then this is which blue I'm choosing. I'm using a blue, only blue, not this. Okay, not light blue, I'm only using blue color. I'll go to weight and I'll select this as 1.5 points, 1.5 points. Then you can see this. Now after selecting this first one, I have inserted rounded rectangle. Then I changed the color. Second one, third one, I have given a outline border. Now I'll go to shape format. In this I have a effects, shape effects. In this levels, you have a B levels, right? So in this I'll be choosing this one. Okay, the third one, cross. Okay, whichever you want to use, you can use. I'm using this cross. Okay, I'll click outside. You can see this now. Still you want to make a border thicker, go for shape format. Use the shape outline. I'll use this weight into 2/1/4. 2/1/4. Now you can see these borders. Done. So I'll give you 2 minutes. Make it fast. Then Tilia. Yes, good. So let me continue next one. So we go here. Now what I need, are you all enabled? So like, let me ask you, did you all enable this developer tab? Yes, no? Reply me. Did you all enable developer tab? Say yes if it is done, not done. Please let me know so that I can show you. Developer tab. Do you have a developer tab in your Excel? Yes, no, please reply. Why I am not getting any response from your side? I'm asking you, do you all get this option or not? Until if you tell me, how will I be able to continue? If you're not getting, I have to show you this, right? Let me do this. See, in case if you do not have this developer tab, if you do not have this developer tab, this one we have actually enabled in the previous class, that is yesterday's class. Today I'm doing this again. I'll go to file. Okay, to enable this developer tab, go to file, then options. Here you have to go for customize ribbons. customize ribbons. In this customize ribbons, make sure whether you have this developer tab is been checked in. You must have this checked in. Check in box means you have to give a tick mark inside this. After giving a tick mark, then click on OK. Then you will get this developer tab. Okay, so once you get this, from this inserting functions, inserting control functions, so I need to insert a control functions. This check in box, what it will do, I can select multiple options. See here, I can select multiple bars, so 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 boxes, or I can check into all this buttons. But what happens in a radio button, I can only check in for one box, I cannot check in for all the boxes. So that is the use of your radio buttons. Now look here, I've just taken this radio button, already have done, let me show you this. Okay, now see, if I select this. Okay, I think this is the wrong data which I've taken. I haven't completed that. I'll delete this better. Playlist, players list I have. So in this C, if I select CSK, so I'll get the CSK's report. If I select DC, DC's I'll get. If I select KKR, this I. But when I hold a control and select this DC, I won't be able to do it. So only one box I can select it. So that is the use of this radio button. Okay, that is the use of radio button. Now what we are going to do, we will go for this insert. In this insert, you have an option here as radio button. Option button, that is form control. Okay, you can also call this as radio button also. I'm using this option button form control. I'll select this, just click and drag how much you want and update it. Okay, I'll copy this same thing, copy and paste it. So after I paste, I drag this and put it over here, second button, again copy, paste it, take this and put it for the third one, KKR, again copy and paste it, I need it for this one. Next again copy and paste it, I need the next last one. So 4 matches, so 5 teams we have taken, all the 5 teams report I have. Now what I want to do, I want to use a options. Now see, if I check into this any button, there is no changes. So we will first rename this. I'll right click on this, I'll go for this rename, that is edit text. Edit text, I'll remove this option button one, and I want to convert this into CSK. Okay, then again we will go for this, I'll edit the text and I'm going to change this to BC. I want to know here. Okay, BC, done. Then again I go here, I go for edit text and I change this also into KKR. Next one, I'll change this, edit the text, and here what I'll do, again I'll change this to K Punjab, right? And here again I'll rename this to Bangalore, RCB. RCB, done. So all these things, but still when I select this, there is no changes at all. There is no changes at all. Now what I want to do here is, I want to link this. To link this, first I'll click on this check-in box, right click, go for format control. Or before that, what I will do, there is a gap in this, right? First click on this, right click, hold the control, select all the teams, name what we have given. Now after doing this, now what should I do? I need to give a formatting, shape formatting. Then I'll go for shape format. So which color we will give? We'll give some light colors. Hmm, I'll use this color. Okay, outline, I'll use a blue itself. Or instead of blue, I'll use a dark green, and I'll increase this weight to 1 point. 1 point, done. And there is, see the gap between the first and the second or anything. When I click on this, see, when I click on this, there is no changes, but the gap between the each and every radio button, that is CSK, DSC, DC, anything, whatever the formats we have used, in between this, the gaps are different. So what I want to do, I want to adjust this gap, and few are on the about like alignment is also not good. Good. One is in top, one is in the bottom, one is here and there. So I want to arrange it properly. Right click, hold a control, select all this checkbox. Then in the shape format itself, you have an option here as align. Click on this align, align to middle. Then again go to align, distribute horizontally. So it will adjust the gap automatically. So example, I'll drag this till somewhere like this. So you can adjust the gap. So gap has been adjusted. Now I need to link this. So first I'll select the CSK, right click. Okay. Before I start the function, I want you all to finish till here. Okay. Till here you can finish it. I'll give you 5 minutes. Make it fast, finish this and let me know. Have you all done this? Everyone done? Good. Let's continue then. Now, what I want to do is I have to apply this formula. So what I will do, let me show you this. This is the one which has been selected. First one, right click on this, then go for this format control. Format control, go to this control. It has been checked in. That means it has been selected. Then you select this 3D shadings. Link cell. You can link to anyone. I'll just click on this column somewhere. Okay, where I do not have anything. So I'm just clicking here. Then click on OK. Now can you see this? It shows me as 1. When I select DC, it says 2. KKR 3. KKX, this is 4 and this is 5. Like this, automatically it will show me whenever I select to any other options. Whether I select this, anything. So what I will do after doing this, I have given what? Just right click. You have to go for format control. In this control, I have selected this checked in. Then I have linked to one another cell, 3D shading. Click on OK. This is what I have done. First method. Second step is I'll hold a control and select all these options, including this the rectangle which I have inserted at the back end. I'll go for shape format and I'll group this as one set of a group. One set of a group. Done. But still see, though I'm selecting 1, 2, 3, 4, anything I select, everything will change. Now what I'll do, I'll apply one formula here. Okay, for your understanding, I'll take this heading also and put it over here. Put it over here. Now what I will do, I'll apply a function here, equals to, I need a names, right? Choose. Choose what? Choose the index number. What is my index number? This one, right? So index number. So say example, index means what? It is a position. This is first position. Name is first position. So this is first position. This is second position. So this is my first position. DC is second one. Third is KKR. This is fourth. This is fifth. Like this I'm giving it. So in this I need a name. I need a name, whatever the field I'm selecting, whichever the team I'm selecting, their names, their number of their country, and their matches played. I want to know here. Okay. So in this, what I will do, I'll use a function here, a new function equals to choose, which I haven't taught you. So choose what? Choose the index number. If this number is correct, if this number is correct, but I don't want this cell to move. For this, I'm fixing this F4 function F4. Okay. So then I'll give a comma. Now it says value 1, value 2, value 3. So if this first index is matching, show me this, comma. If second index is matching, show me this. If third index is matching, show me the third name. Fourth index is matching, fourth name. Fifth index is matching, fifth name. Then I'll close this bracket, then press enter. So I got this. Again, we will go for this equals to. Again, choose. I'll go for choose. Choose the index number, same thing. What is the nationality? This I want to know, but I want to fix the cell F4. This is the only cell I'm fixing. I'm not fixing any other cell. So nationality, after this, we will give a comma, India. That is nationality from CSK, from the second team, from the third team, from the fourth team, from the fifth team. All I'm selecting one by one by giving a comma, close the bracket, enter. Now here matches, number of matches that they have played. So I'll give here as equals to, right? We will give here as equals to. In this equals to, what we will do is, um, okay, again the same thing. Choose. I have to use this index number F4. Fix this. Then comma. Then I have to choose the columns. So each team, this team, first team, second team, third team, fourth team, fifth team. After selecting all the teams, I'm just giving a comma, then close the bracket, enter. This is done. I can drag this. I can just double click or drag it till where I want. Till here I want, I can drag this. This also double click, drag till here. This also double click, drag till here. Wherever I do not have any information, I won't be getting that. I won't be getting that. Now see, if I select this to DC, the details are changing to DC. If I change to KKR, this details is changing. If I change to this, if I change to this, anywhere I change, automatically this will be changing. Now what I want to do is I'll move this bit here. Okay, so I'll give you time to finish this. Okay, finish this so that we can do the another step. Okay, so I'll show you the formula also what I have done. You can apply this. I'll give you 5 minutes, finish this and let me know. Have you all done? Yes? No? Say something. Done? Please reply yeah. How will I able to continue if you don't respond me? Are you still doing? If still doing, ma'am, say that you're doing it. 2 more minutes. Okay, okay, fine. Continue. Can we continue now? Okay, very good. So now I'll just drag this to the other side. Enter. If at all you want to insert a chart, you can select this number of charts what you want to do with. So I'll just select this name columns or nationality. I'll just go with the nationality if you have. And then I'll hold a number of matches. Based on this, we'll go for insert, recommended chart, which chart you would like to go that you can choose. So what we will go for, we'll go for this combo chart. We will see what we can do it. All charts, we will go for combo. In this nationality will be my cluster column. Column it will come and match will be in a line. So match will be in line. Not required. So I'll take this as area. Area, nationality in area. Matches, number of matches, we will take it into a column. We will see how this will work. Then this is my secondary axis, or this is my first axis. So this is my secondary axis. Let's see. I haven't done this, so let me do this. So this is based on the nationality. Okay. So now we will try to switch this team. I'll just drag this to the other side because I don't want to make a confusion. So we will drag this some more. Okay. So here I have for RCB. Let me click on CSK. See, automatically it is changing the number of scores what they have done. In case if you want to change this, I don't want this chart, I want to change this. Yes, you can change this. You can go for again chart design. You have an option as change chart type. Click on this. So you will get this recommended chart, whichever the chart you want, you can go for that. If you want to go with the line chart, yes, you can go. You want to go with this thing, yes, you can go with this. Whichever you feel like choosing, that you can go with that. If I choose this area, see, this is only for country, but it will only show you the bullet lines. Let's see here all charts. We will go for column. So these are the two columns supported. You want a line chart, you want a pie chart, bar chart, area, whichever you feel like choosing, you can go for that. Let's see this funnel. Okay, waterfall, histogram, nothing. So better we will go for column itself. In this column, which one you want, that method you can choose it, whichever the method you feel like choosing. Okay, in the recommended itself, I'm going for this one or this one. I'll go for area itself. Click on OK. Okay, this is the matches. If I select DC, see this. So chart title, I'll change this as rename. I'll just go for this rename. Okay, you just need to double click here, select this. I'll take it as IPL matches, and I need a nationality. So nationality, we will right click, we will go for this select data. Okay, select data. So this 1 2 3 what it is showing me is related to the matches, number of matches. If you want to change this to color match, see the number of matches, and here the nationality. Now we will go for this edit. See, series. Here what it says, sheet from R7, from R7 to from R7 to what you are getting till R31 is your series value, and series name is nationality. Okay, so click on OK. If you want to change this nationality, so how much you have, 1 to 25. If you want to edit and change this access label to some other name, India country, you can change it, or if you want, you can just leave it. So let me remove this all. Let's see what will happen if I remove this. I think we won't get a data, but still we will just try. See, I have only this much. What is this 6 then? What is this 12? What is 13? What is 19? So it is how many times might be the data is repeated, or the range. So example, I'll go for CSK, DC, this one. So how we will be changing, based on that it will go. Or I'll go for this again, select the data. So see how you have, you want to change it, you can give a tick mark also. Okay, then I'll close this. Again we will go for this. Say suppose I don't want this data, I want to change another one. Say like I want a name and the matches what they have played. So in that case, if I want to change my data, yes, you can change the data also. Go for this format or the chart design, select data, go for this. Now change it. You can just click on this. You can say that you can remove the nationality. Then after removing the nationality, add what I need, the series name of this people, and what I need in a series of values, I need their names here. I'll click on OK. Then again I'll click on OK. Now you will get this name. Okay, so now you can change it. So again I'll clear this. So select the data is done. Let me clear this chart, delete it. Let's do once again. I only want nationality wise. Select the nationality and the matches. Go for insert. Select this pivot chart or pivot table. Pivot chart, I will go for this. So this is selected a range, new worksheet or existing. I'll click on OK. So location where I need it from here. I'll click on OK. This is where you will get. So I'll take the nationality here. and the matches in an axis. See, this is how you will get. Or if you want the filters also, you can take the nationality in a filters, number of matches in a values. So like this you will be getting. I want to remove the matches from the axis, I can remove here, but still I want it here. See, wherever you will put it, according to that you will get. Or without pivot table, without using a pivot table, I want to create a chart. In that case, directly you can go for chart itself. Okay, I'll select this entire data, go for insert, recommended chart. In this, whichever the chart you want, that chart you can select it. I'll click on OK. So this is done. Then I want to change the layout. I don't want this layout. So see here, you have an option layout, how you want to change it. See this layout, based on the names you will get, based on the country you will get. See here, whichever the layout you want, that layout you can apply. Okay, so I want to go with this layout. Which one? Which one we will take? Okay, I'll go for this layout 4. Layout 4, and this color pattern I'll choose here, this colorful palette 4. Okay, if you want to choose colorful palette 2, 3, you can use it. And there are other colorful palettes, this is called as monochromatic. Okay, so in this also from color 1 to you will be having till here. So this is the last color, color 13. So whichever the color chart you want, that you can choose it. And after this, in this, after selecting the color pattern, I have selected here pattern 2, or we will go for colorful palette 4 I have selected. Then I need a layout 3. I need a layout 3. See, style 3. I'll select the style 3, or if you want to go with style 4, style 6, see, these are the styles you have. So I'll choose this style. Okay, this style I need it. Okay, done. Next one, what I need it is, that's all. So now, if you want to reduce the size, you can reduce the size here. I'll put it here. Still, we will reduce and see. I've reduced it. So now, as soon as I select CSK, the data is changing, chart is changing. DC, see, the data is changing, chart is changing. Again, I go here. See, whichever you are saying. Chennai I select, Delhi I select, Kolkata I select, Punjab I select, Bangalore I select. So all this data is changing, as well as the chart is also changing. Is it clear to everyone? Finish it fast. I'll give you 5 minutes. Try this. Anywhere if you have a doubt, you can ask me. What you have to do is, I bought this data here, then that this one after grouping, I just bought it here and reduced the size. Then I, using this nationality and the matches, I've created a chart, line chart. You just go for this insert, select this line chart recommended, change to the layout 4, and color pattern. This is the pattern which I've used. So in this chart format, this format which I've used is style 6, and layout is 4, color is color pattern. This is fourth pattern, fourth colorful palette, fourth pattern I have used. Okay, layout is also 4, color is also 4. Okay, only the pattern, the style is 6. After doing this, you can check with this and let me know. I'll give you 5 minutes, make it fast, finish and let me know. Have you all done this? Have you all done? Yes. Okay. Fine then. You can also use this radio button for your result also. Say in the first class we have done very first class if condition using whether the student is pass or fail, or for interview we have taken as selected and rejected. Those things also you can use. Okay, so how much ever you want to use it here, those things you can select it here. Okay, then I'll go for the next one. So a very I'll finish this, so then you can let me know whether you understood or not. So there is something called as append data. Append data. So this append data means I have a data. Say example, I have one table in one sheet, in second table another sheet, third table another, fourth table, like this. But all this data are in different place. Okay, I want to bring this one below the other. So for doing this, what I will do here is I already have a data like this. Okay, and everything is in a CSV format. I want to make it this data. See, I have a IPL match of CSK or all these things. So now what I want to do is I want to bring all this data one below the other. Okay, one below the other of all the teams. So to do that, what I'll do, I'll open an Excel. In the Excel you have to go for the data tab. In this, from CSV file, if you take the previous one, we have only got one file, but here what I'm doing, I'm bringing the complete folder. So from file, that is from the folder. Okay, from the folder I select this. So where is my folder? It is on my desktop. I have saved it as match data. I'll open this. As soon as I open this, it will show me all the file names. We will go for transform data. When I transform the data, okay, I have what here, the content, and then the IPL match, the name of the file name. So this is my original file. What are the datas I have? Everything is in my binary file. And then I have the name of the file in which name it was been saved, and what is the extension. These are the three main things which I needed. So I'll click on this, folder control, name and extension. Right click on this, remove the other columns. These three columns I need, remove the other columns. Remove, done. Now what we will do, you have an option here as expand button, combine files. You can just click on this. See, you're getting all the files. This is only based on first 200 data. I'll click on OK. Now see here, I have a CSK, KKR, all the MAT tables have been got here. All the tables I've got. Okay, I need only name column, team column, and country, number of matches. The remaining things I don't want, so I can select this, whichever I need, right click, remove the other columns. Suppose yeah, I need some other columns also in this. Say example, we will go for, okay, I need the batsman highest to score. So I'll hold the control and select this also. Or average rating I want. This average batting average rate we will take. Batting runs we want, anything you want to take, you can take it. Hold the control and I'll select this highest score. Then remove other columns. So we will right click here. You have an option remove other columns. So those columns will be removed. Whatever the data you want, you can take from here. This is one method. And here whatever I have bat high score. Okay, so this one I have what, see everywhere I have a headings. Everywhere I have this headings coming here. So name of all these things. So I'll take this and go to this, use first row as my headers. Done. Let's see here also. So I don't want this, so in that case remove row. Okay, remove the row, or anything you want to do, you can do this. So here, whichever details you want, you can select from this and you can do it. In case if this method you are not liking, you want to do another method. So I'll close this. I'll do this one more time. Instead of taking the folder, I'll go for this text file, that is my CSV file, right? So I'll take this match data. First file, import transform data. Again, you can go to Excel and you can bring it, but I'll do from here itself. Okay, I'll do from here itself. From the home tab, so manage, or you can bring here load data. You will have an option as load data. So after this close and load, I'll do again. I'll go for this data tab. Again, CSV file, I'll select this DC, import. This is done. So again, I'll go for transform data. Now I bought the two files. Again, we will close and apply. I'll go for this again to data tab, bring this txt file. Third one, import. I'll only do with the three datas, okay? So you can try with all the data. I'll go for this transform data. And see this, the team field heading is not been identified. It is not identifying. So first what I'll do, I'll go for this IPL 2020 CSK. In the home tab, you have first row as headers. Use first row as headers. Let's go for the second data. Select here as use first row as headers. Go for the third data. Use first row as headers. Everything is identified, but everything is a three different table. I have to club this all the three table into one format. So what you do? Go for this. In the home tab, you have an option here as append queries. Append queries. Click on this. Append queries as new. Append queries, if you take, it will update here itself one below the other. But I wanted a new table, so I'll go for new. Append queries as new. I have a three tables. First one, I need a CSK. Already KKR is added. CSK you select, add. DC you select, add. Why is KKR is selected? Because the team what I have selected here is KKR. So all the three has been selected. Now click on OK. Now see, everything one below the other, it has been identified. There is something called as null. I don't want this null. Instead of null, I wanted to put it as nil. That is 0. Okay. So replace value. So I'll select this. Click on null value. Replace you take. So instead of null, I'll click on OK. Done. So everywhere, see, only in this column it is done. I'll select entire thing. Now replace the value. It is case sensitive. How it has been there, that is whether it is lowercase or uppercase. Use the same thing and click on OK. Okay, everywhere I have replaced it with 0. Now no past IPL found. So I'll select this. Replace the value with the iPhone. Okay, now I'll click on this OK. Now wherever there is no past iPhone, it shows me as 0. So this is what I need, and the first four column is enough for me. Remaining I don't require. So I'll select this 1 2 3 4 all by holding the control. And remember, how you select, the same manner it will be updated in your things also. Suppose I'll select name first, nationality second, then the team, then the match, then right click, remove the other columns I'm doing. Remove other columns. See here how I have selected team goes into third place. Now close and load. It will come to my new sheet. See, append queries. All this data I have in one place itself. Clear now? Any doubts? If you have any doubts, please let me know. You have to reply me. If you are not replying, then how will I know whether you have a doubt or not? Okay, fine, good. So here hence all our topic. Okay, I want you all to practice all the topics from the beginning till now, whatever is done. From the beginning till today, whatever is done, you have to practice it. So again, we have another two classes. That is fourth, we are going to start our class. Fourth will be our classes, right? On fourth, I'll give you a revision how this question paper will be there, what type of questions you may get, how to answer it, what will be the answers. We'll just have a overall revision and discussion on this. Then after fourth, that means it is fifth, you may have an exam, fifth or sixth, I'm not sure. Date will be confirmed for you. Okay, fourth will be the revision class, and fifth will be exam, I think so, but exam don't confirm it. But I'm saying you, fourth, when it starts, fourth will be a revision class. Okay, and exam date will be announced to you later. Is that clear to everyone? Yes, no, say something please. Okay, so make sure, I think you have some other exam also, prepare well, perform it good. Okay, we'll join again to the same meeting. Might be I may give you a new link also, because this link will expire in another 5 days. So since we have one more week to close this, and fourth we are going to start, so probably I'll give you a new link, and then we will have a discussion based on the topics covered. Perform well, okay, perform well for the other exam also, prepare for your Excel also. We will see in the next class. That's all for today. See you all, bye.